Hello everybody, my name is Nina and I got the wonderful opportunity to make this kite kit for you. In this video I would like to show you how to make your own unique kite, and I would like to give you some practical tips. But before we get started, let me show you my kite. Let's start with talking a bit about the things that come with the kit. So, in the kit you will find the kite line, you will find 2 sticks, a plastic sheet, this is going to be the body of your kite, some flagging tape for the tail, as well as kite building instructions, safety rules, and this paper. This paper is sticker paper, so you will be able to draw your own face. So before we start assembling our kit, I would like to ask you to get some pens ready. We are going to need a pair of scissors and we are going to need some tape. I have this rather thick tape that works very well. If you don't have it at home, just use the normal one, the smaller one, that's fine too. You just need to make a couple of more stripes then. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you are going to make your kite step by step. So the first step is you need to get your plastic sheet and the sticker paper. You can either draw your own face or use the elements provided. I'm going to use the eyes and the mouth and cut them out. And for the nose, I decided I'm going to draw myself a nose. Okay, so once you applied your stickers, you need to turn the kite. The face faces down, and now it's time to apply the sticks. So you take your sticks and you cut yourself some tape and you secure the sticks with the tape. And once you have placed the tape in the middle, I always like to put a little bit more tape at the ends. So now the sticks are securely attached to the kite. Okay, so for the next step you will need your kite line, and you will need to cut yourself 2 pieces of string about 90 centimeters each long. And how you do it, you can just take the sticks as a measurement. So, and it can be quite rough. So I just cut myself 1 string, and then I take this one as the guide for the second one. So now I have 2 strings, both the same length. Now I'm going to attach the strings to the kite, and I'm going to pull the strings through the hole. And because this kind of string has a tendency to open up quite easily, I'm going to make 5 knots. a loop knot. So in order to do this, I take my 2 strings and I need to be careful that both of them are the same length. Then I make a loop like this. And make a knot. This is going to be used to attach the kite line. Okay, so now I'm going to take my kite line and I attach it to the loop. And I again do 5 knots. Okay, so we are nearly ready with our kite. The last step is going to attach the tail of the kite. So I'm just, because the strings are quite long, I'm just rolling them up a little bit. And move the kite again to the other side and get my tails. And secure them with some tape. So, that's it. My kite is ready. So I hope you enjoyed building your own kite. Just a practical tip. When you go fly, take some tape with you in case you need to fix something. Don't drag it over the ground because it's a handmade kite and it's, you know, it's not that durable, and the kite flies best in light to moderate wind. And please always follow the safety rules. Have fun!